Right, let's take 2. I've already filmed this video but I didn't like it, so I'm going to film it again. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all really well. As you can tell by the title, today's video is going to be my Lush Collection video. I have got many other Lush videos on my channel. If you're into that kind of thing, like hauls, I have been invited to quite a few Lush like PR events and blogger events where you can see like behind the scenes, you can make products. I have vlogged all of that, so I'll link those down below. I've also got a Lush hacks video, how to get the best out of Lush. There's a fly literally flew into my eyebrow. So if you want to see any like Lush related videos, I'll pop all of my ones down below, like recent ones in like the last like year and a bit. I'll link them all down below. I have previously done a Lush Collection video which I think is very different to this now, and I again will pop that down below. I haven't filmed a Lush Collection in ages, like probably getting on for 2 years at least. It must be by now. So if you like those kind of videos, everything's linked down below just to let you know. Today's video I'm going to do what is currently in my Lush Collection. I feel like I have a couple other bits, but I don't know if they're like in bathroom cupboards and I just can't find them, but this is like majority of the stuff that I like reach for from Lush at the minute. The products, I think some are similar, and I have got into new things since my last Lush Collection video, and also I haven't bought stuff at Lush for a really long time, and I'm going very soon to buy a load of stuff from Lush, very different things that I've also never tried before. I really want to try their fragrances because I've smelt some and they are beautiful. So I'm definitely going to be doing a Lush haul very soon, but I wanted to do this collection video first to then add my haul stuff to it, rather than doing a haul and then a week later being like, here's my Lush Collection, and basically re-showing everything that I showed in the haul. I thought it was a bit pointless, so I'm doing this video now. I've been talking for like 2 minutes straight, so I am just going to get straight into the video. There's not really an order to this. I'm just going to go with the flow. So first thing I want to mention is soap from Lush, and this is Serendipity. This came in a gift set. I got this for my birthday. If you saw my what I got for my birthday video, you'll have already seen this. It smells beautiful, and it also has like nice bits of like dried, I don't know whether they're seeds or flowers in it, but it smells absolutely beautiful. I love the size of it. It's like a really decent size, like a really good wadge, and I also love the colours of it. I am using this currently on the daily. This is like next to the sink, so that's like the thing that I reach for like on a daily basis. I do also love Baked Alaska, the soap they bring out for Christmas, but that's the only soap that I actually own from Lush at the minute. Next product I'm going to mention is this, which is Defluff. This is their strawberry shaving soap. It's quite hard to say. Strawberry shaving soap. This is in a strawberry flavour, and you can see how much I have used. I love this stuff. This gives you like a really nice clean shave, and I use this on my legs. I originally bought it for Jay, but he doesn't really tend to use it that much, so I kind of like stole it back off him. I was like, I bought something for you thinking I'm going to use it more than you anyway. It smells amazing. They have loads of other ones in their like range. So say collection. In their range they have loads of other scents in case strawberry's like not your thing. It gives you a really nice clean shave. It lathers up really nicely, but it doesn't like run down your legs, because whenever I tend to like shave my legs, I would either do it in the bath, or I would like stand up with like my foot against the sink and like do it like that, and a lot of the time the floor gets soaking wet. You know, you've got the soap or whatever, shaving gel, cream, whatever you like to use, you've got it running down your leg, and this doesn't do that. It just stays in a nice place, makes loads of bubbles, and just gives you a really nice clean shave. And actually I need to shave my legs after this video, so I'm going to be using a bit more of that. Next thing I have, which I actually think I need to throw away, and I only found it because I'm doing this video. This is Cupcake face mask. It says to keep in the fridge. I think I've had this for about 2 years, so I am going to bin it. I might like crumble up a bit of bubble bar or something and keep it in this pot, or like if I use some bubble bar, keep it in here just to like reuse the storage. Yeah, I'm not really going to mention too much of that because I'm going to throw that away. So that's a face mask, but Lush have so many amazing face masks that I would definitely recommend going and having a little look in there. Next thing I'm going to talk about are body conditioners. So I've only got 3? Yeah, I've got 3. The first one I've got is Rose Argan body conditioner. This came with the Serendipity soap, actually in this really nice box. I got it for my birthday, if you saw that. It's the butterfly, yeah, butterfly gift set. So this is Rose Argan. I love the scent of this, and I also love the colour. It's a bit like a whipped like cappuccino kind of colour. It's not coming up as dark on camera as it actually is, but it's really nice, like a beige colour. It smells beautiful. It's one of those products that I probably wouldn't have even like looked at in the shop if someone hadn't bought it for me. I would probably never have looked at it, but now that I have, I really like it. It was made by Scott. That's what Scott looks like, so Scott, if you're watching. But yeah, that's a really nice body conditioner, good for like all year round kind of scents. The other one I've got is Snow Fairy, which I know loads of people love. I bought this when it was their Christmas sale. Always would recommend going to the Lush Christmas sale. It's like, it's just like heaven, and you get a discount. It's like the best thing ever. This was 50% off, half price, so it's like worth going. But this is Snow Fairy body conditioner. You can see how much I've used because I love it so much. I know a lot of people are like, everyone just thinks like Snow Fairy is just for Christmas and like the only thing that people bring out at Christmas and stuff like that, but to me, I have this like memory with Snow Fairy and a couple of other scents actually, but particularly Snow Fairy. I have like a memory link to it, and every time I use it I just have that like nice feeling come back. So I would always recommend trying out other things from Lush's like Christmas range if you're into Snow Fairy. Give other products a go, but yeah, I love the scent of this. It's like bubblegum, really nice and sweet, and it's a really nice body conditioner. I did actually used to use it. You're supposed to use it, it says on there, like in the shower, leave it on, wash your hair or whatever, and then rinse it off before you get out. But I actually used it more like a body lotion. Like I would have a shower, get out, and then put that on when I was dry. So I think you kind of do it either way, whichever you would like to do. I have got it on my hands today, you can see like a natural like glow, which is lovely, especially when you're as pasty and as pale as me. So yeah, body conditioners, you can kind of use them either way. The last one I've got is this one, which is a naked one, which is like, instead of it being, where's the pot so I can show you, instead of it being in the pot, Lush have started doing naked products, obviously like the soaps and stuff, and what else is naked at Lush? The soaps, anything basically that's not in a packet. They do shower gels now, and they do obviously their shampoo bars and stuff like that. Anything that hasn't got packaging on is called naked at Lush, just in case you didn't know that. But this is Bucks Fizz. Again, I got this in the Christmas sale. It smells amazing. I had to try it. It was one of those products I could have bought about 4 different types that they had brought out. They had Snow Fairy as well, I'm pretty sure, in this, but when I was there they didn't have any left. They had loads of other ones out for Christmas, but being called Bucks Fizz, and that's like our little family tradition, on Christmas morning we will have Eggs Benedict and Bucks Fizz. It was like one of those things that I just had to buy, and I really like it. I like that it's naked. It's not awkward being naked. They do wrap it up in like a bit of paper for you, which I do sometimes keep it in, but this is like in my shower at the minute, so I don't bother putting the paper in there. But it's really nice, really moisturising, and it gives you kind of like a, if I just rub a bit on my hand, it gives you kind of like a, I don't want to say like tan, but it gives you like a nice like golden colour, if you can see that, as it is like orange. It doesn't like stain your skin orange or anything, but it just gives you like a nice, like, I don't know if you can see the difference. Can you see the difference there? I can see the difference, so surely you can. It just gives you like a really nice like sun-kissed like look, which is really nice if you're like me and super pasty and pale. Next thing I'm going to talk about are shower creams, like their shower gels. So I have 2 of the Lord of Mistral ones. This is from their Halloween like launch, and they've had it for the last few years, and it's a really nice scent. I really like it. I keep one of these in my shower, and I keep like topping it up with this every so often just to keep it full. It comes out like a big like sludge, but I love it. It's like a big ogre-y, like, I don't know, I really like it. It's bright green, so you literally like turn green in the shower. It lathers up really nicely. I love the smell of it. Again, I think I have memories linked to this cell. Smells beautiful and amazing. if you just want to like chill out and have like a nice chilled like shower, you got the evening to yourself, you want to relax, it's a really nice like scent for that. So that's that. And then I think my all-time favourite scent, which is like putting it out there, but I think it is the Comforter. This is actually discontinued, but this came with the soap and the body conditioner in the butterfly gift set. I was about to say in the butterfly box, in the butterfly gift set. I love the Comforter smell. Again, got memories linked to it. I don't know what, but it's just like a nice vibe I have linked with it. Got it on my lip. Do you know what? I might just rub it in and leave it there because I love the smell so much. But yeah, this is one of my favourites. Pretty self-explanatory. If you've heard of Lush, you've probably heard of the Comforter. Love the smell of it. It's definitely my favourite. Next thing I want to talk about are shower jellies, which I love them so much. So first one I want to talk about, I actually only have two. How do I only have two? I have Whoosh. Whoosh is my favourite shower jelly. I actually buy the bigger pot, and what I do is I cut them up inside, if you can see. Oops. If you can see. Oh, it's so fresh. This is amazing in a morning and also in an evening shower. It just like has that like wake you up and kind of like let's get on with the day and let's go. But it also has like a really relaxing like scent to it. I love it for all year round. It has a nice like citrus scent with like orange and stuff in it. So it even suits like Christmas time. But yeah, you can freeze these. You can pop them in the you can pop them in the freezer and freeze them, or you can, like I do, cut them up and then you just find it like a bit easier to hold. But yeah, I really like them, and I cannot rave enough about Whoosh as a shower jelly. Then Jay's favourite shower jelly is the snowman. I'm not going to get him out because he doesn't look like a snowman anymore. Like, I don't know what he is now. He's well, I'll show you. He's that and a bit more of that. This, I mean, you can see it's just in the pot, and you can see like, oh, you can see like how many bubbles have formed just by being in the pot. So you can see, oh, he's coming out. You can see like how well it lathers up. Look at my finger as well. You can see how well they like lather up. I think they're absolutely lovely. Jay loves the scent of this, and if you do too, and think, oh, I can only like get them at Christmas because normally I stock up for him, so they last him like a lot longer in the year. The Easter carrots are the same scent as the snowman shower jelly, so that might be something to go for if you like that scent as well. Next thing I want to talk about is the bath bombs and bubble bars. I keep them all in this big old pot. If you've seen my bathroom tour and my before and after, oh no, it wasn't in that, but I'll link it down below in case you want to see it. It was in my most recent video, which was my bathroom organisation stuff, not my most recent, 2 videos ago. You'll have seen that like out on the shelf and stuff, and where I keep everything. But anyway, they're from B&M in case you want to know. I'm going to talk you through my bath bombs and bubble bars. I have got pumpkin, sparkly pumpkin, in an old Whoosh pot at the minute. I think it's a really good idea. Unless you can buy the naked products, definitely go for that. If you can't, reuse them. You can also take them back to Lush and get yourself a free face mask. But if you can't, just reuse the pots however you can, whether it's to do with Lush or not. And yeah, that's what I have done. Crumbled up a bubble bar and popped it in there. I already had used quite a lot of it. Next one I have got is pink pumpkin. Smells amazing. Smells kind of like floral and citrusy. Not very good with my scents, but that's a lovely one. I love light coloured baths, so that's a really nice one. I also have a jelly bath bomb here, which looks like this. I can't be honest, can't remember exactly the names of them, but I will find out and pop everything down below on the ones I haven't mentioned. If it would like to focus, that would be lovely. A lot of people who I know say that these are like proper like jelly, and I have actually tested one in a Lush shop and can confirm they make you go like jelly. So maybe they're more suited for kids. If you have young kids in the family, it's like fun to put in the bath. As I mentioned earlier, for bubble bars I have got the snowman scent. Jay really likes, so I did buy the carrots. I haven't got much left, but I did buy myself the carrots just to like keep the smell going, you know. So that's the next thing that I have got. Right, what's next? Oh, I have another one of these, another sparkly pumpkin, which you have to buy around Halloween. Oh, it smells amazing. And they also put like a nice like chunk of like clove in it. I mean, look at that. Does it just look beautiful? I love that so much. I also have this guy, which I'm not going to use. I'm going to be completely honest. I just can't I can't bear to throw him away. I had a very big declutter recently, and I just couldn't bear to throw him away. His penguin, this is really old, and I'm not going to use him, but I just think like to have him out like around Christmas, I can't bear to, I should have used him, but I just look at his little face. I can't bear to throw him away. So he's just like my little pal who like sticks around. I'm not going to use you because I can't crumble you up, but I love you and you're my best mate. Then I also have this one again, but I think I might throw this away because I haven't used it in like, well, not in so long. I've never used it. This is from last year's Valentine's Day, and it is the ladybird one. It's gone really gross now, but again, it just looks so nice. I just can't get like the guts to throw it away. I can't do it to myself, but I think I'm probably gonna have to bin them soon. Do you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to treat myself to a load more stuff, and then that will justify throwing those two away. The same with this little guy who is a little ghost. He's a little bath melt, so I don't know if he would still be alright or not. I might try him in the bath later today. I'm going to have a bath tonight. Might try him. The last thing that is in here that is from Lush is this bubble ball, which I have got most recently. This was for Christmas, if it wants to focus. There we go. I got this for Christmas. It's something called like their midnight bubble bar. I will link everything down below that I can find because I can't remember at the minute, but it smells amazing. Maybe I'll use that and a bit of that. Maybe. I'm doing this video just so I can like justify throwing things away that I'm not going to use, like the cupcake face mask, the 2 bubble bars, and then I feel like I can treat myself to some really nice new products. And that is everything from Lush that I have currently got in my collection. I hope that you like this kind of video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up and make sure to hit the subscribe button down below before you leave to see more videos from me. If these are the kind of videos that you like, please pop a nice comment down below and say like, I'd love to see more Lush stuff, or you know, I have such a passion for Lush, so I would love to be able to like share with you more things. Like I mentioned, any other videos to do with Lush that I have previously done. My boyfriend's ringing me again. Let me just say hello. Hello?
Hello, Bobby.
Hey, I'm going to link down below all the other Lush videos that I've done recently, like within that last year, plus my previous Lush collection video down below in the description box, so make sure to have a read of that. I always leave little things in the description box, so always do check that out. All my social media links are also down below. If you have Instagram, I would love for you to follow me over there. We can have a little chinwag over there, so if you have that, make sure to follow me on there. That's kind of where I'm most active. Any other video suggestions that you would like me to do, pop them down below in the comment section, and I will always note them down and do my best to get around to filming them. But I hope you're all having a lovely day whatever you're doing, and I will see you all very soon for another video.